Hi guys, we have Mia today, our pianist student who's gonna help you to learn some tricks on hands position, on arm shape. So I'm going to have an interview with Miss Mia, and she's gonna help you to learn some good things about playing piano. So Mia, please tell us what is the best shape you would describe for our correct arms position when we play piano?
I think the best shape for your arms when playing is like a circular shape.
Circle shape. What is the shape or shapes we should avoid playing the piano, learning how to play piano?
A shape I think you should avoid is a rectangle shape or a triangle shape.
And the most popular shape most students do, and what is most mistakenly, I believe it would be more
Like an oval shape.
like oval shape, because students think, oh, I do correctly, but it's oval. And something happened wrong with elbows for many students. What is correct and what is not correct position for the elbow?
The correct position for the elbows is to raise them above the keys.
Yes, and many students make this mistake, just dropping elbows loosely, too loosely, beyond the keys. Correct? The word beyond, above, yes. And something else very important, can you share with us the relationship between arms and the body?
I think that you should keep your arms away from your body so they aren't squished and you have to play uncomfortably.
Yes, thank you so much, Mia.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. If you don't mind, Miss Mia, could you play for us couple your favorite five fingers patterns with two notes legato slur, white keys, it's fine. Thank you so much, Mia. And let's say goodbye to our
Bye.
listeners, and we hope you learned something from us. Thank you for watching.